In example 4, we have a continuous function f of x that is differentiable on the interval from 0 to 1. We have x values that are on that interval, and we have the calculated values of derivatives at those points. So we can substitute from this table to find a particular value that we're looking for. They also tell me that g of x is equal to f of 4x. So let me begin by writing that down. G of x is equal to f of 4x. Now what are they asking me for? They want me to tell them what g prime of 0.2 is. So we'll begin by finding out what g prime of x is. And so we take the derivative of this function. So g prime of x is equal to, and you'll notice that even though I don't know what f is, and that's okay, I can still take the derivative of it, it's just going to be f prime. I do have an inside function and an outside function. My inside function is 4x, my outside function is f of u. In this case, my u is 4x. So let's take the derivative of the outside function, and so that's going to be f prime of my inside function, which is 4x, and I will then, true to my chain rule, need to differentiate the inside function, and the derivative of 4x is just simply 4. So what is g prime of 0.2? Well, that's going to be f prime of 4 times 0.2 times 4. And that's going to be f prime of, and 4 times 0.2 is 0.8 times 4. And so that's going to be 4 times, what is f prime of 0.8? So we go up to our table, and here is 0.8, and f prime of 0.8 is 1.125. So we'll multiply by 1.125. And so this gives me a final answer of 4.5. So this type of problem where you substitute into an abstract function using a table with specific numerical values, this is a very common type of assessment item that shows up on the AP exam. So we'll do another couple of examples like this. In example 5, take a minute and go ahead and work parts A and B of example 5, and we'll be back in the next video to check those answers. We'll see you then.